Hello and welcome to my channel Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to make this cute origami turtle which utilizes a two-colored paper, one for its 3D shell and other for the rest of its body. So let's get started. You will need a dual colored paper like this. So first fold both the diagonals like this and like this. You should start by using the white side of the paper up. Now fold the paper half horizontally and vertically like this, and then this, okay. Now fold any one corner to the center point. Then turn the paper back and fold the other three corners to the center point here. Like this, all three of them. Now turn the model over again, and can you see these creases? Fold the paper in half and using the center crease squash the paper like this. Like this. Turn it over and squash the paper here too using the center line, making a small water bomb base. Your paper after this should look like this: white, 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 and here blue. Now on this side, fold this point to the top like this, unfold and use this crease to fold paper such that the crease is aligned with this line like this. Bring this point towards this point till here, flat. Unfold it again and do the same here. Like this. Now using these creases we just made, squash the paper like this. Repeat here. Using the crease you just made, squash the paper and flat till the end. Now when you look back, there is some extra layer of paper here. We need to get rid of this. So fold a little bit of paper down according to this line and again flatten here like this. Repeat here. Fold a little bit of paper down, flat, and fold down till the end. The extra layer is removed. Now Between these flaps there is a white paper you need to pull up, fold it like this through the center line, like this, and just flat the paper till here, till this line. There is a leg coming out till this line. Repeat here too. Pull out the paper, fold it like this, and till this line, flat. Can you see? Okay. Now, using this point, fold this point towards the center line, like this. Have used this point and fold the upward corner towards the center line. Repeat here. You will note that both of these corners met at the same point. Okay. Now fold the flap again towards the other side, like this. Repeat here. So this makes four legs of the turtle. Turn the model over, and no, you have to fold a bit of corner down like this. Now turn the model over and fold the center of this angle of the corner like this. It's a rabbit ear fold, and fold it like this. Give a crease. Do the same process here. You have to do till here, not to the center line. Leave this portion. Like this. After doing this, you need to fold this down completely like this, and the remaining portion of this rabbit ear at the back of the paper. Like this. Alright, do the same here. Fold it down till here, and remaining portion of this flap at back. This will complete the shell of our turtle. Like this. Assemble the paper again. By doing this, your shell will have a 3D look, and now you can see that we have a 3D shell. If these flaps are coming out again and again, you can also paste them inside. Now fold these flaps up so that they align with the shell, like this. Repeat the same process here. The basic structure of a turtle is ready, but we wish to make these flaps look more better, so we will give small fan folds on the four legs like this. Just like we fold wings of birds in origami. Do it on these legs too. And here last. Finally, to make the face 3D, just give creases to half the portions of head, like this. There are a total of 3 lines. Lastly, fold a little portion of these legs downwards from back. Repeat here. And your turtle is ready. Thanks for watching.